how you're gonna make the map design of a 1v1, it is not gonna take that long since I have already set up everything ready for you already. And you just need to make a new blank, which is gonna be empty, and you need to delete those grid plane and delete those two, and then delete the Iceland settings. And of course, as always, I will always give you a basic map functions and free stuff when I'm making any tutorial, like I did with the red blue and go to the endless screens. So the first thing you need to do is to grab the Iceland settings, which is here already, and Control A, Control C, come to the map, and Control V. Now we have the Iceland settings, we don't need to do any changes to it. Unless for that, hide backlink. That's enough. And then we need to go and grab the buildings, which is here. We go here. Those are the one I prefer. If you already make yours, it doesn't matter. Those one I prefer them. So now we have that. We're gonna put stuff right here. And I'm sorry, like background, game speed, and crosshairs, and many other stuff. We're gonna put them here separated. Then we're gonna put the barrier, and we're gonna put maybe a vault with custom weapons here, and all those stuff are either gonna be paid or for free. So after we're gonna put the buildings, we now need to put the HUD controller, which is gonna Control C this one and Control V right here. Good. Now, the next thing we'll need to do, don't mind this, please, this is my Discord server, you can come anytime if you need any help. The link is in the description, also my Patreon, where you can find the cheapest prices in the market. Good. Now, the next thing we need to do is the bottom resets, which is gonna be this one. And then you can choose whatever model you want for the bottom. For me, if you want to use a sphere, you can use it, you can put the material there. For me, I have already some different meshes in my original map. I'm gonna show you. And after you do that, you're gonna need one explosive device, which is gonna be found in here. Explosive device. So we're gonna drag it. We're gonna go and check the settings. So let's close this one here. The health should be 1, doesn't matter, can be damaged, no. Blast radius 5000, Control A, Control C, my bad, and then Control V, and player damage null, structure damage 5000, and yeah, and then explode proximity no, display no, knockable none, autoplay audio no, and collision off, show health bar no, and explode reset on a button. So on a button, on interact, on a button, on interact, add another one, trigger, on triggered, and trigger. Oh, what am I doing? Gentlemen. Oh, see this, my bad. And trigger on triggered. Good. We can save, and the next thing we will have is the barriers, which in this file you're gonna find the screenshot right here of those barriers. Sadly, you guys, I told you in the server that what do you prefer me to offer you for the 1v1? You want free verse codes or you want free assets? Those who vote for free verse codes, sadly you made the wrong choice, because I'm gonna give you free verse codes, but the verse codes nowadays are not worth as the assets. So that means you guys are not gonna get those backgrounds for free. You're gonna get it, you're gonna need to pay for it, and it is what it is. So there is also a video here that shows you shows you how to set up the backgrounds from first one to the last one with their own names. So let me show you how we're gonna do that in case you bought the premium pack. So we're gonna go to the barrier, Control C, Control A, Control C, and we're gonna go for Control V. So now we have the barriers. And as this, since in this project I don't have the, what is it? the bodies, I'm not gonna fill them now, but I'm going to another project which is gonna show you how you're gonna fill them. The next thing you need to do is to come to game speed. You're gonna come here, come to the here and game speed. So this one is gonna show you exactly a plane and triggers linked to game speed and the cinematics. Also, they are gonna be made and available only in the premium pack. Next thing you need to do is to come, I guess, yeah, we finished. Now we're gonna do the basics verse codes, but to do that, I need to go to my other project. So, gentlemen, this is how the project is gonna be looking like. Those are the skybox we have, and the one we're gonna use. This is the background. When you have the textures, you're gonna be able to fill them, as you can see, and if the player shoot one of them, the background will change and it will disable the others. This is the bottom or the mesh I prefer to use for the reset button, and those are the player spawners, which by the way are not gonna be here because we're gonna use them. We're gonna make a pre-lobby where players can get every gun they want outside the map area. And then we have game speed, which will look like that with the textures. So you can make your own or you can get mine by paying for the subscription. Good. And now we're gonna try to build some verse codes, and let's put, by the way, the explosive device again, because I didn't do that. And by the way, those are all the assets in the folders. We're gonna be using a lot, millions of materials, millions of textures. Literally everything I have is inside this project. So the guy who's gonna buy this map is gonna be lucky. Good. Now we go to Fortnite. Explosive device. We do the same again. 10. Not my bad. 5,000. And can be damaged. No. Damage to player 0. 5,000. And knockable none. No. Off. Off. And then explode twice and reset twice. Reset twice on a button and on a button and explode on the trigger, on being triggered, and on the trigger again on being triggered. Good shit, good shit, good shit. So now the next thing we will be doing before the verse codes is we're gonna need to put some crosshair changements. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna control V this file that will be found also in the basics, in the premium pack. Sadly, it's gonna be in the premium pack with the crosshairs already ready up. So let's see, where do we have it? Yes, I need to make it like that. Good. So we do have it right here. It's time to grab it. Good. Good. Like that. Like that. And so this part is gonna be for music, and behind here it's gonna be for the crosshairs. So we're gonna do it like that, and I try to set up it much better. I don't know why my mouse is tweaking nowadays, but don't mind me. And yes, let's just try to put the materials. So that's gonna be blueprint. Also, it's gonna be this one and this one. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Let's try to set up it very well. No. Good shit. W is in the shot, guys. But did we finish? Of course not, because we need to link the hot message devices with there. So 113 is gonna be 113 and 114, of course. 115, we need to do that. When a player interact with the trigger, it will show him exactly which crosshair he did interact with. 118, this is gonna be 17, and this is gonna be 18. I can't find 18. Oh, I can't find it. Never mind. This is gonna be 19. So 19, and this is gonna be 110. R10 was it R10? This was 19. Oh, this is gonna be one R10. R11. The last on the list, not yet. R12. And we need R1. R2. R3. R4. And R5. And R6. Good. Save selected. And now we're gonna work and build some verse devices. And the basics one we will need is gonna be the, let's come here, let's do the, okay, the build verse code, and let's put a mutator zone. It is very needed. We're gonna put two different mutator zones. Mutator zone, this is gonna be 0. This is gonna be 100. This is gonna be 100. All right, good. We're gonna put it under them up a little bit, and we're gonna need another one right here. Okay, I'm lagging a little bit, don't mind me. We're gonna keep going outside until I don't see. Good. So let me choose mutator zone. Control C, Control V, and no. Come up a little bit. Good shit. Good, guys. You are improving. W. Now we're gonna drop the verse codes. So here we search verse. We got instant respawn, visible in game. No, we need an elimination manager. Let's look for that. Let's add it. We need 2 different teleporters for each team. Good. Teleporter, and let's drop one right here. It's gonna be drop. Good. This one is gonna be for this player. This one is gonna be for this player. This one is gonna be named B. And we need another one, matter of fact. It's gonna be in the middle. So I'm gonna choose, oh my bad, 1 and 2. This one is gonna be this is class. No, we need team index 1. This is gonna be team index 2. Use Iceland stars. No visible in game. Good shit. This is gonna be for invert team selection. I don't think. Wait, invert team selection. Team index 1. Good. This is gonna be team index 2. Good shit. This is gonna be working for any. It doesn't matter. So team 1 and team 2, and we save, and then we go for the next device, which is gonna be build reset. The build reset actually works with only 1 elimination manager and 1 explosive device. Now we need the out of bond, which needs the mutator zone 1, mutator zone 2, and the 32 we put, and then 1 explosive device that we already have. Then we need reset. Okay, my bad, good. We need 1 reset button, 1 explosive device. And then that's it. Those superpowers don't mind me. I'm not gonna give it to you anyway. Good shit. looks like we're doing well by far. And now we will need to put the gold that will drop on the elimination when a player died, or the silver, or whatever you want. But in fact, I prefer this time to put some V-Bucks, the VFX. So VFX on elimination. And we're gonna fill the code. Can be used with Niagara. We're gonna save, and then we're gonna leave. We're going to open the VFX folder again. Select this one here, go to mesh renderer, and let's change the material we got here, and let's add the new one. We're going to coin V-Box and add this one. As you can see, it does look like that. Now we save, leave, and we build a new verse code. So first of all, we're gonna need to drag the blueprint we have. I almost forgot to do that. Open this one. Don't have this. I'm using this one. Dragging both of them. I'm gonna try to make this VFX a little bit smaller. So 0.5, that would be good. Maybe 0.3. And save. Now we open the static mesh. Perhaps we could do the same right here for it. No matter, in fact, inside the VFX Niagara itself. So we go to the scale and make it 0.3. This is much better now. So we close, we drag them, we open the code here, and we search which. So I click this one. It's named GRG. PP coin. Which is this one, and then we select the elimination manager. Good, good, good. Now, since we finished with the basics codes and we have finished with the map design, the rest are gonna be the mechanics, which is gonna be like the ranked system, guns, UIs, pre-lobby design, and the achievements, and other cool stuff like music part and maybe a hidden XP secret, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. In case you need any help, you can come to our Discord server. Links are in the description. And yeah, that's it.